Good morning, students. Again, I will come here with my next video, and I already explained you in my previous video about your first chapter, and today I will explain you some questions of first exercise or your practice time first. In this practice time, I will explain four types of questions, and every questions you observe that there is commas, and commas are very important to describe or to understand the numbers in a proper way. So students, first question of your practice time is that about your place value chart, or you have to describe the number in place value. How? First you make a chart, then it is very easy to fix it. Okay? And second question. In the second question, you have to find out the numbers in a with the help of commas. Without commas, it is very confusing to describe or to tell the number in a proper way. And main thing in our country is that we used Indian system, not international system. So whenever you put commas, you take help from Indian system. As you all know, in Indian systems, yes, 4 periods, that is ones period, thousands period, lakhs periods, crore periods. So you understand how to fix a commas with the help of periods or with the help of commas. Understand? And in third question, when you knows the commas in a proper way, then it is very easy to pronounce or to tell the numbers in a proper way. If suppose there is 5 digit, in 5 digit we make only one commas, because starting from right hand side to left hand side, first count 3 figures, 1 2 3, then put comma. This 3 figure is in one's period, and after that 2, that is in thousands period. So now you see, it is very easy to understand. In 5 figures only one comma means 2 in thousands period. If that number is 20,000, then it is very easy to pronounce it, that is 20,000. Or maybe if that number is 12, so you pronounce 12,000, and in ones period, suppose 4 in 100 place and rest 2 place, that is tens and ones, is 00. So The actual answer is 12,400. So understand that commas is very important to understand the number. And in fourth question, I will give or I will explain you, if you have a sentence, then how to numeral, how to write in a number. Numeral means in number, you have to write in number. Suppose the question is 62,000, only 62,000. So you have to write in number. How? First 62, because 1000 means 62 comes in thousands period, and this is 62 means two place values in thousands period, and rest ones period 000, because nothing in that places. So now you understand? Okay, so I will tell you how to write your questions in a proper way. And after completing this practice, I will give you some questions at your home. So practice at home in a proper manner. Okay, so let's start. So students, this is the first question, and the topic of first question is, or the question of first question is, write the given number on the place value chart. I will give you some numbers and you have to, or I will explain you how to fix this number in place value chart. Okay, so start with first A part of this question in place value chart. So first A part is 8, 73, 45, 678. So first of all, what you have to do? Very good. First you count all the numbers, and it is very easy to understand with the help of, correct, commas. So how many commas in this part? Good, 3 commas. Means ones period, then comma, thousand period, then comma, lakhs period, then comma, and crore period. In crore period, how many figures? How many places? Only one. Yes, so it is very easy to calculate it. Means 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 1. Total 3, 1, 2, 3 in 3 place values in ones period. Then 2 more place value in thousand period. Then again 2 place value in lakhs period. And 1 place value in crore period. So total is 8 numbers. So first make a chart starting from right hand side to left hand side, or starting from ones period to crores period. Okay, so in this part where 8, 73, 45, 678, so which number comes in ones place? As I already told you, starting from, yes, ones digit or ones place. So which is the last number, or which is the number in ones position? Which number comes in ones position? Correct, 8, because 8 in right hand side. and we start from number in place value chart starting from right hand side and move to left hand side. So right hand side, which place value? Ones. And which number comes in ones position? Correct, 8. And then move to left hand side. So before ones, which place? Tens. So which number comes in tens place? Correct, 7. And before tens, correct, 100. So which number comes in 100 place? Correct, 6. Now move to thousands period, and in thousands period there is two place values, that is 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. So which number comes in 1000 place? Correct, 5. And 10,000 place? Very good, 4. Now move to lakhs period. In lakhs period also there is two place value, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. So which number comes in lakhs place? Correct, 3. And 10 lakhs place? 7. Now move to crores period. In crores period also there is two place value, that is crores and 10 crores. So which number comes in crores place value? Correct, 8. And in 10 crore there is no number, so nothing you have to write in 10 crore place. Okay, now move to second sub part of this question. Second sub part is 76, 58, 134. So how many commas in this part? Yes, there is only 2 commas. When 2 commas in a number means total how many numbers? Correct, 7 numbers. 7 or 6 numbers. Because in 6 number also 2 commas, or in 7 numbers also 2 commas. Okay, so in this part, what is the number? 76, 58, 134. So again starting from ones place value. So which number comes in ones place value? Correct, 4. And in tens, 3. 100, 1. Then move to 1000 period, means 1000 place value. So which number comes in 1000 place value? 8. Then move to 10,000 place value, that is 5. And in lakhs place value, lakhs period, in lakhs period, so which number comes in lakhs place value? Good, 6. And 10 lakhs place value? 7. Yes, so now you understand how to write these number with the help of commas in a proper way, or in place value chart in Indian system. Understand? Yes, now I understand you all clear it how to write in a proper way in Indian place value chart. Okay, or I will tell another one question. What do you want? Okay, I will tell one more question. This is again a sub part of this question. Another one is 6, 44, 79, 871. So tell me how many commas? Very good, 3 commas. So 3 commas means how many numbers? 8 or 9, because in 3 commas we move to crores period. Very good. Means in crores period there is also 2 place values. Okay, Yes. So again starting from ones period and move to 10 crores place value, not 10 crores period, because 10 crore is a place value which comes in crores period. Okay, so starting from ones period, in ones period three place values, that is ones, tens and 100. Okay, so which number comes in ones place? Yes, 1. And which comes in tens place? 7. And in 100 place? Very good, 8. So now you see your ones period is over. Now move to thousands period. In thousand period, so which comes in thousand place value? 9. And 7 comes in 10,000 place value. Now you see that this thousands period is also over. Now move to which period? Very good, lakhs period. In lakhs period again two place value, that is lakhs and 10 lakhs. So which number comes in lakhs? 4. And in 10 lakhs again 4, because there is double 4 or 2 to 4. Now finally move to which period? Very good, crores period. And in this crore period again two place values, that is crores and 10 crores. So tell me, in crore period which number comes? Very good, 6. And I hope you all understand how to write down this number in Indian place value chart. Okay, now move to second question. Students, move to second question of your first practice time. So second question, you have to insert the commas to separate the periods in the following numbers. Means you have to put commas in a proper way. If you put commas in a proper way, then you know that how many periods are there in a particular number. So commas are very important in a number. If there is any mistake to putting commas in a number, then it is very confusing or very difficult to understand the periods and how to tell in words. So commas are very important. Okay, so let's start your second question. Starting with first part, that is the first part is 17356780. I repeat again, 17356780. If you not understand, then take help from your fingers. How? Again, repeat it. 17356780. So how many digits? Yes, 8 digits. In 8 digits, how many periods? Very good, 4 periods. What are the periods? Correct. Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. In one's period, how many place values? Good. 3 place values. What are the names? Ones place, tens place, and hundred place. And after that, thousands period. In thousands period, how many place values? Good. 2 place values. What are the names? 1000 place value and 10,000 place value. After that, lakhs period. In lakhs period also, there is again 2 place values. First is lakhs and another one is 10 lakhs. And finally, in your class only, not in any other class. In your class, which period comes? Crores period. And in crores period, how many place values? Very good. 2 place values. That is crores and 10 crores. Means except one's period, rest 3 periods, that is thousands period, lakhs period and crores period, in every period 2 place values. So total in 4 periods, how many place values? 9 place values. But in these questions, how many total digits? 8 digits. Means starting from ones and ending from crores. Okay? Now, listen carefully. In ones period, 3 place values. Ones, tens, hundred. Put 1 comma. Then thousands period, 4 fifth, again comma. Then lakhs period, 6 7, again comma. And in crores period, 1. Because total 8 digits. Means you start with 1. Because 1 in which place value? Very good. In crores place value. In crores period, crores place value. So 1 comma, then 7 3, because 7 3 comes in lakhs period. 7 3 comma. After that 5 6. 5 6 comes in which period? In thousands period. So 5 6 comma and rest ones period, that is 7 8 0. Is it easy or understandable? Okay, I will tell another example or another question. Not example, another question. This question is 5 5 3 4 5 6 7. I repeat once again. 5 5 3 4 5 6 7. If you not understand, take again help here. 5 5 3 4 5 6 7. The total how many digits? Correct, 7 digits. In 7 digits, how many periods comes? Very good. 3 periods. What are they? Ones period, thousands period and lakhs period. In lakhs period, how many digits? Yes, 2 digits. And what are the name of lakhs place values? 5 5, because both the number comes in lakhs period. Now before lakhs, thousand period. In thousand period, 3 and 4, both digits comes in thousands period, 3 and 4, and rest 5 6 7 in ones period. Means how you put commas? Starting with lakhs period, 5 5 comma 3 4 comma 5 6 7. So you all understand, or I will tell another question. Okay, I will tell another one. This one is 9930567. 9930567. Again take help here. 9930567. Again 7 digits. In 7 digits, very good. 3 periods, ones period, thousands period, and lakhs periods. So how many digits comes in lakhs period? 2, because here is 7 digits. What are the name? 99. So 99, both 99 comes in lakhs period. So after 99 put 1 comma. And in thousands period again 2. What are the 30? Means in thousands period 30 comes, and in ones period 5, 6, 7. So is it easy? Understandable? Okay. So rest question I will give in your activity. Okay. So now students, I move to which question? Third question. And in this question I explain you how to write numbers in words. Again, here also, who help to solve this questions? Yes, commas. Because with the help of commas, you know that which are the periods comes in these questions. Okay, so your third question is write the following numbers in words. You have to write the numbers in words. Okay, so let's take A part. Let's take A part. Our A part is 7986590. I repeat once again, 7986590. So how many commas? Yes, 2 commas. Because total numbers, total digits, correct, 7. 7986590. So how many digits? 7 digits. And in 7 digits, how many commas? 2 commas. Again, starting from left hand side, sorry, right hand side. Ones, tens, 100, 1 comma. 1000, 10,000, another comma. And lakhs, 10 lakhs. So total 9 digits. Okay, now it is very easy to explain it, because starting from when you write down numbers in words, you start from left hand side. Okay, start from left hand side. So left hand side 2 digits. In which place value? Sorry, in which period? Yes, in lakhs period. So in lakhs period, which 2 values? 79 means 79 means 79. 79 comes in which period? Lakhs period means 79 lakhs. Okay, 79 lakhs. And after 79, which two digit comes? 8 and 6. 8 and 6, 86. 86 comes in which period? Yes, in thousands period. Means 79 lakhs 86,000, and rest in ones, what are they? 590 means 590. Is it easy or you understand? Once again I will explain you. 79 in which period? In lakhs period. So 79 lakhs. Then thousands period, which two figures, 8 and 6, so 86 thousands. And in ones period, which are the three figures, 590 means 590. So correct answer is 79 lakhs 86,590. Okay, now move to B part. In this part, again you count numbers. Question is 4, 97, 01, 062. Once again I repeat the number 4, 97, 01, 062. So how many commas? Correct, 3 commas. In this 3 commas, how many period comes? Correct, 4 periods. Which are they? Ones period, good, thousands period, and then lakhs period and crores period. Very good. Here starting with crores period, because crores comes in left hand side. Okay, so which number comes in crores period? Very good, 4. So here is single 4 or double 4? Yes, single 4. 4 with another number or nothing with 4? Yes, 4 is single, nothing with 4. So 4 in crores place value. And 4, how we can read in words? 4, correct, 4 crores, because 4 in crores period, so 4 crores. And in lakhs period, which two numbers? Yes, 97. Which two number? 97. So 4 crore 97 lakhs. And after that 01 comes in which period? Thousand period. Means 4 crores 97 lakhs. Don't read 01, only 1000. Only 1000. And lastly ones period. In ones period, which three figures? 062. So don't read 062, you just read 62, because 0 in 100 place, and where 0 is there you don't read anything else, you just read it 4 crores 97 lakhs 1062. Okay, I hope you all understand how to read numbers in words. Can I explain another one? Okay, one more. Another question is that 6, 04, 98, 751. Once again I read this number 6, 04, 98, 751. So how many commas comes again? Yes, 3 commas. And how many digits? Correct, 8 digits. So start with, correct, left hand side. So left figure is 6. 6 in which period? Crores period. Very good. So 6 crores. And after crores period, before crore period, thousands period. In thousand period, which are the values? Yes, 04. So don't read 04, only 4 lakhs. 6 crores, 4 lakhs. And then 98. 98 comes in which period? Thousand period, means 98,000. And finally 751 in ones period, that is 751. So you read properly 6 crore 4,98,751. So now you all understand how to read properly in a nominal or very easy way with the help of commas and with the help of periods. If you remember every time periods and which place value comes in which period, then it is very easy to solve it. And once you remember all these things, you never forget. Okay? So now only one question is left. Okay? So students, now move to fourth question. In this question, you have to explain the question in in numeral or in numbers. I will give question in words and you have to convert it the question in numbers. Okay? If you listen carefully the question, then you solve in a very easy way. Listen carefully, properly. First part. Question is 9 crores. Listen carefully. Only 9 crores and nothing. Means after 9, very good, 1 comma. And after 9 crores, what comes? 36 lakh. 36 lakh. Means in lakhs period, which two number comes? 3 and 6. 36. Means after 36, very good, another comma. Then 79,000. This 79 comes in which period? Very good, thousands period. Means in thousands again two numbers. What are they? 7 and 9. Very good. So after thousands period, yeah, yes, another comma. 7 9 comma 836. Is it easy? 836. 836 comes in which period? Yes, ones period. So, how many commas comes? Good. 3 commas. And what are the period comes? Correct. 4 periods. What are the periods? Ones, thousands, lakhs and crores period. So, starting from left hand side, again, I will tell the correct answer. Okay? So listen carefully. 9 crores, 9 comma 36 lakh, 36 comma 79,000, 79 comma 836. Clear it? Very good. Now move to B part. In B part, listen carefully again. If you listen it, then you solve as a previous question. What is the question? Question is 85 lakh. No crores. No crores. So don't be confused. Starting with lakh. So which period comes first? Lakhs period. Means lakhs, thousands and ones period only. Only 3 periods. With 3 letter or with 3 numbers, you all understand how many periods comes in these questions. 85 lakhs. 85 lakhs, 24,000. So 85 lakhs means after 85, correct, 1 comma. Then 24,000 means write down just 24 and put another comma. 605. There is no value in tens place. So just write down 605. Don't write 65. 605 means 605. Okay. So once again I repeat this question answer. 85 lakhs. So write down first 85, then make 1 comma. 24,000, again write down 24 and put another comma, then 605, just write down 605. So clear it? 85 comma 24 comma 605. Is it easy? Yes, it is very easy, and I hope you all are understand fully. Now I will tell some activities you do at home. So students, now the activity time, and in this activity I only give the question which I already, not the questions, but such types of question I already describe or explain today's class. So it is very easy to solve all the questions. First, same as the numbers you have to write down on the place value chart. Means write the given number on the place value chart. So first one is 85, sorry, not 85, 87, comma 65, comma 101. So it is very easy to solve it because there is 2 commas. When 2 commas means only lakhs period. First is ones period, second one is thousand period, and finally lakhs period. In only lakhs period there is 2 commas. If 3 commas, then move to crores period. So in this part only 2 commas means lakhs period, up to lakhs period, starting from ones period and goes to lakhs period. Okay. Now B part. B part is 9, comma 53, comma 21, comma 460. Same, but here how many commas? Correct, here 3 commas. So move to crores period. Starting from which side? Correct, starting from one side or right hand side and move to left hand side. Okay, and the third part of this question is that 2, 15, 31, 167. Here is again 3 commas. Okay, so in 3 commas means you have to move to crores period. Okay, now move to second question. In the second question you have to insert the commas, means as the second question which I already explained you. Insert the commas to separate the periods. Means that you have to put commas to separate the periods. Okay, so first part of this question is 56737071. Means how many digits? 56737071 means how many digits? Yes, 7 digits. In 7 digits, how many commas? Very good, 2 commas. Means you have to start from ones period and move to lakhs period. Very good. Okay, now B part. B part is 984316. 984316. Sorry, 984316 means how many digits? 6 digits. In 6 digits also, how many commas? Correct, 2 commas. In starting from ones period and move to lakhs period. But in this question, in lakhs period only how many places? One place, because there is only one digit. Previous one is 2 digit. Okay, so don't be confused. Okay, now move to C part. 4416786. Again I repeat it, 4416786. Again counted the digits here. 4416786. So how many digits? Correct, 7 digits. And in 7 digits, correct, 2 commas. And starting from, very good, ones period and move to lakhs period. Very good. Now move to D part. Here 18565,307. 18565,307. Again counted the digit. 18565,307. How many digits? Correct, 8 digits. 8 digits means how many periods? Very good, 4 periods. Starting from ones period and move to crores period. And in crores period, how many place values? One place value only. That is crores. If 9 digit, then 10 crores. But in this question only how many digits? 8 digits. Means in crores period only crores. The place value of in crores period, that is crore place value. Okay. And now E part. Again 99784136. 99784136. Again how many digits? 8 digits. Same as previous question or previous part. Means there is again 4 periods, starting from ones period, then thousands period, then lakhs period, and finally crores period. Okay, so here is also how many commas? 3 commas. Okay, so now you understand. After counting the digit, it is very easy to put the commas in a proper way. And remember one thing, only in ones period 3 place values, that is ones, tens and hundred, and rest thousands period, lakhs period and crores periods 2 place values. Okay, now move to third question. In this question I will ask that you have to tell numbers in words. I will give you some numbers and you have to describe in words. Means the question is that write the numbers, write the following number in words. First question means A part. A part is 9,85,001. Means listen carefully and understand. 9,56,85,001. 001. Okay, means how many commas? 3 commas. Okay, in 3 commas, so last digit is very good 9. So 9 in which period? Very good, crores period, means 9 crores. And after that, in lakhs period, which two place values? 56. 5, 6, 56 means 56 lakhs. And after that, 8, 5 means 85,000. And in ones period, in 100 place value, here is 0. In tens place value, again 0. And in 1 place value, 1 means 1. So the correct answer is 9 crores 56 lakhs 85,001. Okay, so like this you have to solve rest of the questions. If you have any confusion, then move to third question that I already described you or explained you. So you just go through these questions in a proper manner. Now I will tell the B part of the homework or the activity part. In activity part, 68, 41, 906. 68, 41, 906 means there is only 2 commas, means 3 periods. Okay, so it is easy to solve it. Very good. Now C part. C part is 6, 64, 41, 362. So how many commas? Correct, 3 commas. And in 3 commas, how many periods? Very good, 4 periods. What are they? Ones period, thousands period, lakhs period and crores period. Now move to another question, that is 7, 20, 32, 629. 7, 20, 32, 629. So again, how many commas? 3 commas. So in 3 commas, how many periods? Very good, 4 periods. Now the last sub part of this question, and the sub part of this question is 91, 46, 382. I repeat, 91, 46, 382. So how many commas? Good, 2 commas. And how many periods when 2 commas in a number? Very good, 3 periods. What are they? Ones period, thousands period and in lakhs period. So I hope you all understand these 3 questions in a proper manner. Now last question that I already explained you in the class or in the slide. Fourth one is write the numerals. Means I will give the question in words and you have to write the answer in numeral or in number. So first question is that 5 crores 22 lakhs 39,852. Listen carefully. Means 5 crores, single 5 crores. Nothing 50, 15, nothing is that. So only 5 crores. Means you have to put 1 comma after crores. 5 comma. Then 22 lakhs. Means you come to lakhs period and two figure 22. Write down 22 and another put comma because lakhs period is finished. Now 1000 period, that is 39,000. Here is again two figures, that is 39, put comma, and rest is ones period. So in ones period 852 means which number comes in 100 place? 8, tens place 5 and ones place 2. Clear it? Is it easy? Yes, I know that you all understand properly. Now B part of this question, 2 crores 810 means in crores, 2 crores means you just put 2 and make 1 comma because 2 crores, and after that 810 means you have to write 810 in which period? Yes, in ones period. 810 means 810 and rest 1000 place and lakhs place there is nothing. So what you have to do? You just put 0. You just put 0 in 1000 place 2 place value means in thousands period 2 place value put 0. In lakhs period also 2 place values put 0. Okay. Now last but not the least, this is 76 lakh, not 79, 76 lakh 41,837. 76 lakh 41,837 means there is how many periods? Very good, 3 periods, because only 3 things comes, that is 837, this comes in ones period, and 41,000, so thousands period, so 2 figure 41, and 76 lakh means lakhs period also come, that is 76. So you all understand how to solve this activity properly? Very good. So you do your activity in a proper manner and practice as much as you can, because if you practice many times then you solve or you understand these types of questions in a proper manner. Okay.